Welcome to the Breadstone Ovens Company. Today we're going to show you how to make Melty stuffed cheese bombs. First, you are going to need 1 kilo of pizza dough, some garlic, melted butter, marinara sauce, and fresh mozzarella. We're going to start with the dough, where we're going to cut it into 10 pieces. Then we are going to take the balls, individual dough pieces, one by one, flatten them out, stretch them a little bit, put a few pieces of cheese, and you're going to close it up until you have a nice tight little ball on the outside. With the cheese bomb coming out hot out of the oven, go ahead and brush them with a little bit of butter and garlic.